I hope you all can hear me. We are live now on the markets and we're going to have a look and see what is going on. So today we are on road to 1 million, right? That's what the goal is. By the end of this year or whenever, we are going to try and get our account to 1 million. Not just me, but you guys too. So we're going to have a look at the markets. We're going to do live trading. We are going to make sure that we place trades on this live. I'm going to try and make sure we do that if we see great opportunities. It is a Monday morning, so it is going to be a tough trade, because I don't really trade on Mondays, if I'm honest with you guys. I don't. I usually trade Tuesday, Thursdays, Wednesdays, sometimes Fridays, but Mondays is very it's hard for me to scale up on Monday because I just like to see what the market's doing. But I do also like to scalp. I just already scalped. I don't really scalp. I did like a intraday trade, kind of like a scalp actually. I was in the trade for like an hour, and it was gold. So we're gonna have a look at that trade. I'm gonna explain to you why I placed that trade first, and then we're also gonna have a look at what is going on with the market. We're gonna have a look at where we think price is heading, and if you guys got any question and answers, we will answer them. So if you got any questions, literally write a message down below, and we will answer them as soon as possible, as long as it's a good question. If it's a hard question, then we will try to answer it. But yeah, let's get into the market. Let's actually have a look at the market and see what is going on. So at the moment, it is we're currently looking at gold going down. So that's I normally trade gold, guys. So if you're a gold trader, definitely stick onto this this live stream, because we're going to be trading gold. So let's have a look at gold. Let's see where price is heading. I'm currently biased is a sell. I'll explain why my bias is a sell overall. So this is the 1 hour time frame. Number one, we've seen a break of structure on Thursday to Friday, right? We saw a nice break of structure. We saw two breaks of structure actually. One down here, which was a fake out. This is what if I was on my Instagram live stream actually just speaking about it. This is what faked me out. So I had a take profit at 2016, which it did not hit, and ended up hitting my stop loss. So that's something that I missed out on. But then I also scaled in, entered around here, and rolled that. I think I rolled the buy up to here. So we ended up having a good run out on Friday, ended up on a positive run. Anyways, just hitting stop loss at the beginning of the day was a really bad setback for me. But overall, it was good. So bias still is a sell because we had a break of structure. I'm looking for that retracement for this move. So the way I'm doing it is we've already had a retracement. I feel like we've created a lower high over here, meaning that we can have a retracement. Now I'm going to just explain to you why I have the money man at the top over here, and I'm going to explain to you why I placed that trade. And yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to scale into the 1 minute because that's what I was looking at. So that's why I wanted to explain to you guys that it was kind of like a intraday slash scalping trade, more on the scalping kind of trade though, right? I usually don't like to trade like this, so this is just plain because I'm scaling my account. So at the moment I've got a £5,000 account, and I'm trying to scale that to, you know, whatever it can be with the series, right? So at the moment we can see that I saw that price has started to create a trend line. Price has created, so we were going down. Price then it kind of broke structure, but it confirmed to me because we started creating lower lows, right? We started creating lower lows, so we got to here and I saw that price did another lower low, but it rejected. It couldn't break this level here. So what I ended up doing was drawing a trend line, which it respected really well. And I was expecting price to come down here, if I'm honest with you. I expected price to come back down here, which, as you can see, I would have missed out on a great opportunity, because then I saw price, if we look on the 1 minute, I then saw price create a new trend line from this point where we originally were to, you know, I was a bit aggressive with this trade, but eventually I saw a trend line where it just was when we were around here. So I was still in loss, and I started to see that there was a trend line which confirmed to me that I should stay in this trade for a little bit longer which confirmed to me with this profit. So if I just put this here, so what it was, if I just delete this for you, I basically, the market was here, right? We came back down. I saw price started to go down, and I thought, okay, cool, price is hitting my stop loss. We're gonna call it a day. Then price ended up doing a huge bullish engulfing, right? Huge bullish candlestick, bullish engulfing, and then did not break these lows. So I thought, okay, cool, that was another buy opportunity for me, but I didn't do that. Because I placed 2 trades by accident. The first trade was all the way up by accident. That was by accident. The first initial trade was down over here. So my second trade that I had that was by accident was just a careless mistake. I tried to do an order sell down here, but what happened was that I accidentally just clicked buy. Sorry. So I tried to do an order buy. Sorry, and I ended up just clicking buy. So I had to just deal with that. So I ended up not placing another trade because then that's me risking way too much. And I then saw this and I said, okay, cool, you know what, price could be building another trend line, which it ended up doing. So I drew a line like this, and I started to see that price started respecting, so I was more confident with this trade, and I held it for longer. And then once we saw price hit once, twice, 3, 4 times, I then saw price bounce up, right? And then I smashed my take profit. Really, really good take profit, because what did price end up doing that very minute? It ended up smashing down all the way to my entry again, which is horrible, right? We did not like that. So again, I did miss out on this opportunity here where price broke my trend line, ended up retesting the trend line, and then going to my point A, right? The point A of that trend line, which is brilliant for me, because that basically shows you guys exactly how the trend line strategy works. So trend line strategy is break a trend line, retest, either the retest of the previous previous support or resistance, and then or the trend line, and then scaling down to all the way up to the point A level, which it ended up doing, which would have been another trade. Again, let's have a look at the Fibonacci, if that actually gave me more confirmation. So the Fib also gave me more confirmations at the 50 Fibonacci level, with a nice rejection candlestick as well. Huge bullish, bearish engulfing as well with this candlestick, and then really nice push to the downside. So we would have had a really nice move here as well, smashing our TP1, smashing our TP2 as well. So we missed out on that opportunity, but we are going to look and scale in now to the now market and see what's heading. So at the moment, you see price is just consolidating around over here, but I am still bearish. The reason why I'm still bearish is because on the higher time frame, we can see that price is it's pushing down at retraced, but it's created that lower high. With the trade that we did, it kind of created that lower high, which for us indicates, okay, cool, we could have some, maybe not a reversal, but we could have price continuing to the downside, waiting for maybe price to create another trend line, right? So if I just get this trend line right here and just do this for a second, you can see that we could be creating another trend line in the market. So that's something to have an eye on. Let me see if we just scale it to like here. Yeah, we can clearly see we could be potentially building another trend line. So that's something to have an eye on. I think you guys should definitely have an eye on with selling gold to maybe around 2022. That's my area of interest at the moment, is 2022. I don't expect price to be going back to 2016. Unfortunately, I do not just see that anymore. I see 2022, so my bias will be sells. I don't know if we'll do that today, but I definitely believe that price could be ending up going to the 2022 mark, which would then create a lower high. Then we can scale up and then praise the price, and then continue with this lovely uptrend that gold has been doing since Wednesday last week, since Valentine's Day. So how nice that gold is creating that strength for us, right? So yeah, scaling on to the daily time frame as well, we can see that price is doing a downtrend with so this is the higher time frame for me, right? So I've also got another fib. So another time frame is price potentially going to 1962. That's just on the higher time frame, which I don't know if price would do that, because price didn't really break this low here. So I don't know yet if price will do that, but if price does that, it would be quite amazing. It would actually be really, really nice and really, really good. But bias at the moment is I'm very strong with, especially that bullish candlestick we had on Friday, really strong bullish candlestick, and the weekly is just looking. If I just remove all of this for a second and just scale in for a second, see that weekly it was a really strong bullish candlestick, right? Really, really strong. So we could end up seeing another bullish week this week as well. But if I just have a look, let me just go on the 15 minutes. So we are looking at sells. I am going to see if we can actively place trade in gold. What I might do is, let's have a look if I can change my title of the live, because I just want to concentrate on gold today, guys. I just feel like gold is something that I want to look at. We'll look at Euro USD as well. Euro USD, I've been bullish on that. I'll be honest with you guys. I have been very, very bullish on this move. We're currently in this trade for Euro USD, which is looking really, really good. Only scaling for 50 pips, but still really, really good trade. I was thinking that price will open. So this was on a Friday evening. I actually looked at this with one of my students, and I explained to them that price I showed them a little strategy, and I saw that price is going towards the upside, and that's what price did. So Monday morning, that was what price is. I don't really like holding trades on the weekend, but this was something that I kind of like. So it was a good trade on this one as well. But I want to scale. I just want to look at gold. I really like the way gold is moving right now, especially with this lovely few candlesticks. The 4 hour, oh, it's beautiful. If I just remove the old trade now, we don't need to see that. We've seen that. Let's clean up the markets a little bit. Let's go into that 1 hour. Yeah, we have really nice. It's a really, really good market at the moment for gold. So if you're looking to trade gold, stay on this live. I'm just going to write a message. Let me just write a message on my channel. So let's have a look. I'm just going to write the live stream as gold. So we're looking at just gold today. So that's a bit strange. So when we're on live, it doesn't come up on the studio app. It has to come up on the actual app, isn't it, guys? So let me do that. How do I find my own live, guys? Okay, there we go. So we are looking at today. Let's add that on the chat, and let's also change, guys. I don't know how would I change the title of my live stream. To be honest, this is my first live stream back, so I need to figure out how to change your interesting. I don't know how to change the title of the live stream, but I have put it on the comments that we are looking at gold today, and I want you guys to make some profit with me. So we're going to scale into gold and have a look. We are looking for sales. So that's what I'm looking at the moment. We are looking for sales. So we're going to have a look and see what it is. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you go check out my videos. We are road to 1 million in this live stream. So I'm going to keep doing this live stream until I hit 1 million. Honestly, this is the vibe we're going off right now. So at the moment we are waiting. So if I just have a look, so we had a really nice rejection at the 50. I'm expecting price to go down to, let's say, take profit 1 is, so area of interest is, let's say 2027, 2020, let's say 2028 for now. So these lows, let's target these lows, right? Let's target this low right here. So that's the area, right? This is the area that I'm looking for We're gonna try scaling, right? We're gonna scout this, guys, because we have a small account. We're gonna scout this. We're gonna see if we can continue this run. So we had a breaker structure. Let's use our fib. Let's see any retracement. So most likely it hit the 38.2. So I'm gonna wait for price. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna just wait for price to break this low, and then see if we can enter this low, and then hopefully potentially. So if I do this, stop loss, and then obviously take profit all the way down here, which gives us a nice 1-to-2 ratio. So let's hope it does that. Okay. Okay, let's have a look. Shall we have some nice background music? Shall we add some background music to this, guys? Shall we vibe out? Let me change okay. Let's have a look. So there's a few things that I want to do. So the title I definitely want to change. Now that I'm looking at it, the title is definitely something I want to change. But we're gonna see next stream, guys. I'll try to change the title so it's more that you guys know. Because at the moment it's just MullaFx live forex trading road to a midi. Like it's not really appealing, which I want it to be appealing. It's not. So we'll have a look. But yeah, this is what I'm waiting for, guys, at the moment. If price decides to break this high, then we're gonna look for another potential setup. I'm still selling though, because you can see we've created this new. If you have a look, right, we created this new lower highs, continuous. So we got A, B, C. So it's looking pretty good. We probably would have another push to the upside, but I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for see what price is doing. See what price is doing, guys. This is how it is usually how I trade. So I normally trade pre-London sessions. So this is pre-New York session. So I usually trade pre-London sessions. So I've made my money for today, but we are gonna also have a look at see if we can scale in and make some more money. That's what we're gonna do today. I want to scale in, see if we can make some more money. Give it, call it a day, maybe around 1 o'clock ish, just before New York opens, and then we'll see tomorrow what happened with New York. If you guys want me to look at specific pairs, definitely just write a comment down below. Let me actually write that as well. If you guys want to see me, what pairs you would like to see. Let's have a look. So there we go. Because for some reason, right, I don't know how we can change the title of the live stream, which is crazy. Unless I edit video. Yeah, it won't let me. It won't let me change the title. That is crazy. If you guys know how to change titles to a live stream, comment down below, guys. I don't know. That's so weird. Okay, guys, we are heading. Price is already heading down. Let's see. See, the old me would have already entered the trade. Old me would have done this. Old me would have saw potential, stop loss up there, targeting all the way down here. That's old me. But I want to get a better entry. I want to get a better entry. I want to trade. I know we're going to see like a huge push when price gets down here. I'm calling that already. I know we're going to see a huge push. When price gets to this level, 2030, we're going to see a huge push to the upside. That's where my trend line it will come reflect my trend line. So really and truly, the better trade would have been, this would have been the better trade. Stop loss like here and targeting 2030 for now. That would have been a nicer trade, guys. Do you know what I'm saying? That would have been a way better trade. But it is what it is. We're just gonna wait. I know that price is just I know price is so reactive at 2030 is just it's how it goes, isn't it? I'll tell you why. So look, when price hit 2030 last time, the last time price hit 2030, right? It smashed up, right? Before that, it smashed down. Before that, it went up. Before that, smashed down, right? So it's so reactive at 2030. Look again, 2030 smashed down. Like it's so reactive that the only thing I can see from it is it reacting back up, faking a lot of traders out, and then going for a sell, right? But that would all happen within the New York session. So that's what I'm calling right now. That's happening in the New York session. The London session at the moment is just moving slow. That was nice. So we had a nice consolidation here. Right, so you know how consolidations work, right? So we go consolidation, clone the consolidation blocks, clone it down to here, look at that. And then, so that's already hit its target, so that's going up. What are we thinking, guys? Are we thinking to buy? Are we buying to the trend line? What are we thinking? Because I feel like we should buy to the trend line first, isn't it? Because that would respect our trend line. That would respect our fib. So we draw a fib, right? Right now, it's respecting the fib really, really well, though. Okay, we draw a fib. I do want it to hit 61.8. That's something I'd love to see. I'd love to see 61.8 fib hitting. I'd love to see it. 5 minutes, what's it saying? Looks like a double bottom. Looks like a double bottom's forming. Just a patient game. That's how it be. That's literally how it be. Patient game. It is showing me a bit of bullish. If it breaks this high, then we could see bullish back to this high right here, potentially showing us a double bottom. But I know price is reacting on 2030, so I think it's just gonna try and hide away from there. Ooh. Definitely. But how was all of your weekends? How was your weekend? Was it good? Did you rejuvenate from last week? Yeah, price is moving. See, right now price is moving. Not crazy. It's not moving the way I want it to move. But it is going, it's low-key going the way I want it. I want it to go up as well. I do want it to hit this trend line, because then that would respect my trend line really, really well. But then I don't know whether to go for a buying opportunity. Would be really nice right now, because we can go for a really nice sniper entry. But I know that sniper entry will not work in this instance, especially the way the market is moving at the moment. It just doesn't make sense for a sniper entry right now, especially because we're very bearish. There's no way price will be going up like the way I want it to go. I know that price will go to 2030 first. That's what I expect. I expect 2030 first. That's what I'm definitely expecting. Come on, man. Break some sort of level. You know when you want the market to break some sort of level, but it doesn't do it. But then as soon as you buy or sell, it will break a level. And it's like, wow, I literally waited for this. You didn't do it. And then when I enter, you want to do it. And you want to do it the wrong way so that I lose. Why do that? See, that's exactly what the market does. What I want to do, though, I want to just make my face a little bit bigger. Is that possible? Is that possible? I want to get a little bit bigger. Like that big. Let's see how that looks. Guys, what do you think? I think I just had to make my face a little bit bigger because for some reason it just looked hella small on my screen. Patiently waiting for the market to go to where you want it to go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, man. Break some sort of level, mate. Come on. There we go. There we go. That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. There we go. So because price created a new high, a new lower high technically, when we see an opportunity to sell, we will sell. And we will sell keeping our stop loss. But the thing is, where do I keep my target? Shall we wait for 2030? Just because we know that's a reactive level. The trade doesn't make sense if I don't wait. Does that make sense? And also, price it hasn't confirmed the break yet. It's on the line. It hasn't confirmed the break, guys. There we go. That's it. A lot of traders have closed their trades. It's first day back of the live, so I don't expect anything crazy. But yeah, we're definitely going to see a bullet. That's a huge bullish candlestick. We're definitely seeing this trend line get bounced. We are definitely seeing that. I'm just telling you guys from now. Whew, it's getting a bit chilly though. It's getting a bit chilly. It's getting a bit cold. That's what we expect. We're expecting. Right, so let's have a look at Euro JPY while we're waiting. Wow, so many entries, huh? So many entries. Wow, Euro JPY. Wow. Yeah, I was bearish. Wow, that's crazy. I was bearish and it hit where I wanted it to hit, but didn't hit exactly, and now we are bullish. Interesting. Near another key level. So if we see price slowly making its way down, we know where it's targeting. Can definitely draw like a fib, but let me just see the 4 hours quickly. Yeah. See, the thing is, yeah, Euro JPY is easy to trade because it's just been going on a bullish trend since like God knows when, like since what, 1st of February. The whole of the month is bullish. So it's such an easy market because, you know, you come down, okay, buy. Come down, oh, nice, buy. You know what I mean? Like, come down, buy. So many opportunities. Over here, I can't lie to you guys, I would have sold. I would have sold. I was very bearish because it got to that level and just rejected. But again, it's just shown strength. The euro compared to Japanese yen is weak. Euro USD, we already seen that. Brilliant trade. Brilliant trade going on at the moment. GPAUD. I look at this market, but guys, you look at this market, right? When you see this, compared to, let's say, this, right? Compared to this, do you see how clean this market is? And then look at this. It's just so horrendous. It's not something that I want to see. I hate so many. I'm seeing so many wicks. It's so annoying. Hence why I just don't trade it. It's slowing down with the wicks here. Like we're starting to see something, but the past month, right? The past month, it has been ridiculous. It is ridiculous. Let's have a look though. But Euro USD still. I'm looking at my gold there. So 1 minute. See what 1 minute's saying. Okay, there we go. Cool. Breaker structure. Looking for that retest now. So we are so cool. These two candlesticks, right? It signifies to us that price has room to go up again. Doesn't mean that we are now bullish. It just means that, okay, there is still some sort of retracement. There's still some sort of push. So what I'm expecting is, I'm expecting price to like do something like maybe like this and then go down, something like that maybe. I'm not too sure. Something like that though. That would look nice. Or if anything, just up here and then straight down, right? Like this, and then just continue its path to the downside like this. That would be really nice as well. Something like that. I wanted to respect the 61.8 so the level I'm expecting, right? If I just draw the fib again, I want it to respect the 61.8, so I want it to respect this level right here. I want it to hit this red line right here. I know my charts are looking very messy, but I want price to just touch that point one more time. That's the area that I'm interested in. That's the area that I would personally sell immediately. Like I would sell. If price gets there and rejects, I'm selling immediately. Guys, I'm getting tired because being up since like 5 a.m. Monday mornings is always the tiring, but it's also energetic as well, right? Because you wake up at, let's say you wake up early on a Monday, and that kind of sets your level up for week, right? So Monday sets that target for the week. Let me just right. Oh, my caps lock not working. We'll just write sell. So yeah, like when you wake up early in the morning, it's a whole different board game. Wake up at 5, you know, do whatever you need to do, place your trades, hit profit, hit loss, set for the day. You know what's going on, right? Whereas if you wake up at, let's say, 7 or 8, by the time you get started, it's already like 9. You know, by the time, let's say you place your trade, you wait an hour or two for your trade to hit, then it's like 9, 10, London session all is over, right? And then you hop on this live stream. Is like, it is something that, you know, starting at 5, it's something that's different. I don't know, just it's different air at 5 o'clock. Something else. It sets your mood for the week. Just is brilliant. But price right now doesn't know where it's heading, if I'm honest with you. Price right now, like, remember when I showed you at the beginning of the stream, do you remember I showed you the consolidation, right? If you have a look, right, it's done the consolidation. It's doing it the same thing again, right? It's doing that same consolidation again. Obviously, if I just bring this to the bottom right here, it's the same thing. right? It's doing the exact same thing, right? So it's just consolidating again. Gonna wait for that break, retest. Oh, excuse me, guys. Yawning twice. I did say, I did I just did some content recording previously, and I said that 11:30 is gonna hit me because I've been ill for the past 2 weeks, right? So I haven't been waking up early for the past like a week and a half. So me waking up early now, it is something different, because obviously taking a little break and then waking up, it will hit you again. So that's what's happening to me now. It's hitting me now at 11:30. Definitely want to take a nap, but I'm gonna have to push through, and then we're gonna have a look and see what the market will give us. I hate when the market does this. It's crazy. So I've just made a group chat as well. There we go. Sorry, I need to pay attention to this market. There we go. That's it. That's something we like to see. What are you gonna do now? You're gonna reject for us? Break. Is that the retest? Is that the retest, guys? Is that what we need to see? Basically double top here, isn't it? Is that what we're looking for? Come on. Push down. Push down so I know where we're going. Because if you push down, I can then wait for another retest and do another sell. Because that is a nice sell. If I sold right here, right, obviously probably just above the highs, that would have been a nice sell. Horrible risk to reward ratio, but still it would be an alright sell. Could have made that like a sniper entry though. That would be good. Or is it another buy? That's what happens when price consolidates, guys. That's literally what happens. You just don't know whether price is gonna go up, price is gonna go down. Because look, it went back up in 2 candlesticks, and it's come back down in 1, 2, 3. So it's still bullish pressure. Still bullish. Whew. Let's have a look. Make the screen as big as possible for you guys. I'm just waiting, guys. Literally just waiting. This is 90% of traders. This is what they have to go through. To be honest, we just wait and wait and wait. We're like a sniper, right? We wait and then we shoot. We execute. We just let whatever that bullet does. We just let it do its thing. We cannot control that bullet. We can't spray 100 times. We've got to just wait. Literally just waiting. seeing 1, 2, 3 hits. We add 1, 2, 3, 4 hits, meaning that we have to go up to here, right? I just want some confirmation that, you know, some sort of confirmation that press. It's okay. That's nice. That's nice. So we are coming out of the box. That's nice. Okay. It was nice to see. So this is another way for me to know that we are coming out the box now. We're coming out on the top. That's brilliant. So that's what we have been anticipating for. It's crazy because when you're live streaming, right? When you're live streaming Forex, it's very, very how should I explain? It's very, very difficult to entertain when you're also trying to focus, because this is where you're making your money, right? It's very, very hard to entertain the audience while looking for opportunities in the market, because while you're waiting, especially when you're on a 1 minute time frame, while you're waiting, the market will do one crazy move, and that's your missed opportunity. Especially when price is so close to where we want it to go, which is 2030, right? We want price to go to 2030. So for price to go there, it's also very, very difficult for me to just be talking, and you know what I mean. So, but it's raw footage. I want to show you guys exactly what traders are like. There's no fancy music or anything like that. Usually I'll put some music on, but I don't think YouTube would allow that. But usually I'll have some music vibe out, but we're gonna stay quiet because when we're in the zone, right? Remove all distractions. There's no animations, there's no anything. It's just me, the markets, no scripts, no nothing, just me, the market, and you. That's what it is. And we just gotta look at the market, see an opportunity, place the opportunity, right? So over here, right, looking like I might just go for a quick buy. Go for a quick buy and put my stop loss right below here. And target maybe these highs or even this right here. That could be a really nice trade. But we need to have a look first before I place. See, look, you see that? It does a lot of fake out, so we just gotta wait. I'm just gonna wait until I see the confirmation of the market actually coming out. This consolidation is gonna be going for quite a while. What's weird is when I do consolidation, it normally says it on the top. I don't know why it hasn't said it on this one. Let me just remove this for a second. Just clone this. There we go. Look at that, exact. That's exactly correct. So, is the stream still glitching, guys? If the stream is glitching, we'll try to sort that out, but at the moment I can see that the stream is glitching a little bit. Unfortunately, there's nothing I can do. It was glitching 5 minutes ago, okay. Okay. We're gonna have to see what we need to do to stop this glitch. I'll check it out after the live. Hopefully tomorrow's live stream won't be as glitchy. Okay. It's calm now? Okay, that's brilliant. I think it's just the Wi-Fi. Oh! Literally think it's just the Wi-Fi. But we'll see. Okay, there we go. Buying opportunities, guys. Do you think it's buying opportunities right now? are we going to see some buying opportunities? This looks like a buy for me. This is like a clear indication of a buy. If I had to do a buy, I just need to have a look at the pip calculation though. So if I do my stop loss here, which is still very, very risky, that looks like a nice buy, right? Shall we do it? Shall we do that? Shall we hit that buy, guys? Let's wait for price to just come down one more time and then we'll hit that buy. Definitely hitting that buy. Let's look at the high time frames real quick though. We might have just missed this buying opportunity, but doesn't matter. Yeah, looking for price to come down anyways. 15. Tweezer bottom. We have a tweezer bottom down here. Tweezer bottom. We got a tweezer bottom. Yeah, we're definitely going up. We're definitely going to this level. I feel it. I feel it, guys. I feel that price is gonna go. We've had a good run so far, so I don't want to mess it up. But we have to look for. I'm 100% sure. We might have missed. If you guys have already entered with that buy, we're good. I've just missed the opportunity. I need to get my app ready. So I was literally on YouTube. Like I didn't have the app ready. Oh man, it's fine though. Hopefully we can get some sort of pullback. For Doji, price slowing down. Oh, that's ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Ooh, come on, man. One more retest from the moving average. Now that we broke out though, I definitely want to see a retest to this box. That will then indicate to me that price wants to continue to the upside. So let's do that. Let's wait now. I missed that. That first pump though was great, right? If you guys are in that trade, that first pump is great. Tweezer bottom on the 15. We definitely know where we're heading. We definitely know where we're heading. 2033, 2033.50, 100%. I called it though. I called it. I said that price is gonna go up because it's hesitated so much over here. I've just personally missed out on this opportunity though. But don't worry, guys. We're gonna try and get another one. Because there's no point calling a trade if I'm not in the trade, right? So we're just gonna have to wait until there's another trade, which is kind of annoying because I really was hoping to make some money. And it's 12:21. I want to make some money in the market. Let's have a look. Well, we know where this is heading. We know where this is heading. Oh man, that's annoying. Because as soon as I saw that candlestick, I knew it straight away. Okay, it's a buy. It was just annoying that I was trying to get onto the app and it just sprung up like that. Because I don't want to. I'll be real, guys. That entry right here is horrendous. That entry is ridiculous. If I entered and I put my stop loss here, I'm just telling you now, I'm getting stopped out immediately. That's even though it's a sniper entry. Even if I put a stop loss here, I'm getting stopped out because I know price is going to. I know price is coming back. I know price is going to come back. But I don't know if price is going to hit my take profit first and then come back, or if it's going to come down first and then that's what it is now, because it is going to do some hesitation around this point. It's either going to smash or reject. That's all it's going to do. Okay, there we go. Let me get my market ready. So what are we doing? Shall we do a... We can do there we go. Something that I wouldn't mind. Let's have a look. So before I enter the trade, I just want to see what market will do at this box. If it rejects it, then it's good. If it stays very, very bearish, if it stays very, very, if it's like a bearish kind of like this, then I'm not entering. Then we're just gonna have to wait. Is our moving average right now? Is that our moving average? If I just get a quick fib, see what potential points. Yeah, 61.8 for sure. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Come on, man. Show me some love, market. This is where it gets techie, because it's like, should I enter? Should I not? Should I do it? Should I don't? Because we know that the 5-minute candlestick was very, very bullish. But then it's like, shall I enter that trade? Did that hit the 30? You know what I'm saying? Is that a new higher low? It's hit that 30, 8.2 extension. If that's the case, then I could place a buy. Won't be catching that many pips, but I could place a buy, right? Stop loss down here, and then take profit all the way up here. Still giving me a 1 to kind of 2. That's a terrible trade. That's not. How do you scalp? I don't understand how you scalpers be trading like this. It's so annoying. What it is. It's so annoying. We know where this is heading to now. It's just kind of annoying. Can we see a retest to the consolidation box? Is that what we're going to see, chat? Is that what we're going to see? I know if you guys are on that trade, you guys are doing really, really well. It's almost hit take profit, guys. I'm just disappointed that I missed that trade. The trade was a really nice trade. But if you guys hit that trade, well done. GG. GG. So that's a legendary trade. That is really, really good. It's just funny that I'm not in that trade. That's so annoying. But we just keep going, keep going, keep going. That's how scalping is, right? If it was intraday trade, oh, I'll be so angry. I would have already entered that trade over here. I would have been aggressive, only because we already know it's going to hit take profit. That's a guarantee, right? That's a guarantee that's going to hit take profit. But what's not guaranteed is my stop loss. That's what the issue is. It's the stop loss. Because I don't want to place a buy, let's say here, because my stop loss would have to be down here, which is annoying. Now obviously my stop loss would have been down here, but it's just such a small trade for me. My target is here, and obviously I'm trying to sell at this point. So for me, this was my only opportunity for the trade. That was literally my only opportunity. I can't place any other trades unless I obviously was really risky and said, okay, 3 times hit, triple bottom, buy, right? But you know, that's a risky trade. This is a guaranteed trade that we're going to hit up here. It's a guarantee. Like, guys, I cannot stress this enough. The strategy that I use, if it's going towards, obviously, if it smashes tape stop loss, it will do it within the first 15 to 20 minutes. It will do it with the first few moments, first few candlesticks. It will hit stop loss if it's a terrible trade. But if it's a good trade, we know it's hitting the target. What the issue is now is just a stop loss. So if you just follow my strategy, you will then know where to put your stop loss, where to put your entry, where to put your take profit. And once you get that take profit, once you get to that level, You know what I mean? So that's what's the most important. So we're almost hitting take profit here, guys. I have not been in that trade. Disclaimer, guys. I don't want to give you guys like the false hope. I saw this opportunity. I was trying to enter the trade, but this bullish candlestick just was way too quick for me. But if you guys are on this trade, hi Salim, you alright? So if you're on this trade, really good trade, literally, really good trade. It's the only way the only way it can be right now is hitting the take profit though. But yeah, I just want to explain that I'm not on this trade at the moment only because I missed that trade, but the opportunity is still there. But like every other trader says, you can call it, but it doesn't count until you're in it. So don't listen to any traders until they can show you proof that they're in the market. If they can't show you the proof, they're not trading. They're not real. Because what's the point of? It's so easy to call a trade, right? It's so easy to call a trade. It's so easy to call, like, okay, guys, buy, right? What's the hard part is the stop loss and take profit. And if you're a trader that let's say for example you called this but you're not in it, what is the point? I don't understand why traders do that. It doesn't make sense to me. It's just, you're putting a lot of risk with other traders as well, a lot of other people with their money. With me, if I call something, I would like to be in that trade, hence why I haven't forced this trade on you guys. If I was on this trade, I'll be telling it to go up, right? I'll be screaming it down to go up, which this is a brilliant trade. So the 50 minutes just closed, so we are going to see some sort of drawdown. Be prepared for that, but we are literally only 5 pips away from the take profit. So if you want to take partial profits now, take partial profits now. By all means, take partial profits. I'll recommend, definitely do that, because it could just fall back down again, giving opportunities like me to place a buy. Or it could just come down and fake that breakout. The 50 minutes is strong though, it's very strong. The 50 minute is very strong. Like it's screaming buy. It is screaming buy. Obviously down here. But yeah, if you guys have taken that partials, keep doing it, because I think we could have another opportunity for a buy. But have a look. Because the 15 minutes, so when a 15-minute candlestick closes, be prepared for some sort of drawdown. So if you're going, for example, we're bullish, right? When the 15-minute candlestick closes, you want to be prepared for the lower time frames to have drawdown, only because it has to show that wick. So I'm expecting drawdown 2031.86. I'm expecting some drawdown, maybe even down here again. That's the drawdown I'm expecting, giving me the opportunity to buy. Because a lot of traders would have taken profit here. It's obvious because that's the high, right? A lot of traders would have taken profit here and then also sold here. But this is faking out, guys. This is faking out the sellers, because a lot of traders are selling right now, right? This is faking out the sellers, unless the sellers are strong enough, which I don't know. I don't know if they're strong enough. But if they're strong enough, they can bring the market back down here, which will be great. But then what the market will do is end up spiking up, which is also all right. But if the market is going down, have a look. Okay, does it make sense for the market to go down? Yeah, because price just hit a high, it basically broke structure over here. So what does that mean? Okay, well, if price broke structure, that means that there is going to be some sort of drawdown, because a lot of traders have just closed their trade, meaning that price is going to go down. Because remember, when you close your buy trade, it means you're selling whatever commodity that you've got, or whatever currency or indices that you've got, meaning the market will go down. Not you personally, but imagine a lot of people are trading and they sold, right? Imagine they all, they bought and they took their profit, meaning they're selling. That's what's happening. So what happened now is that it sold. A lot of traders have come out of the trade, And then because they now there's two things that can happen, right? Price could either slaughter down, making the buyers feel like happy and be like, okay, cool, well done, or it can continue going up, making the buyers feel like, oh, I missed out on an opportunity, and then them looking for buying opportunities. And then what will happen is it'll get to our sell point where we know that that's our selling point, and then once it gets to that sell point, that's when, you know, everyone's going to be looking for buys up here. In reality, price is going to go down. Does that make sense? So that's how the market moves in simple terms, right? I know that sounds so confusing, but that's exactly what happens with the market. That's why the market moves. For example, over here, price got to this high, everyone came out that trade, making the market move, making it go down, right? Price decided to try and go up one more time to test if there's any more buyers. If there was, it's most likely the smaller traders. Why? Because it hasn't broken this structure, so a lot of small traders will be like, oh, let's buy. And then what happens? It stops them out. Not that they are bad traders, because it ended up did going in their favor in the future, but what happens is that it does this thing where it has to stop you out. So if you did a buy over here, stop loss down here, well, you just got stopped out, right? 3 times, giving you, so it makes you confused. Oh, what's my bias? What is my, so that's why you have to know how the manipulation of the market works. You have to know how the market works, because if you don't know how the market works, then, you know, you're just going to keep changing your ideas and keep falling on the bad end of the market, which that's not what you want. So I know that sounds so confusing to you guys, but that is exactly how the market is. Sometimes it does get confusing. So now what the market is doing, right, is hesitating whether to go up or down. So if we look at the 5 minute quickly, we know that price is going up, but because it's so close to this trend line, a lot of traders are just coming out of that trade. This is like the worst area to trade. This area right here, like this whole area, I wouldn't even bother trading in. Right? Let me just change that color to color to like white or something. This whole area right here, I wouldn't even bother trading in. It's because it's so volatile. This is where you would come out of a trade, not come in a trade. You wouldn't want to trade in that area. So that's a little gem for you guys. If price is near a buying or selling opportunity, don't trade around the range of 10 to 15 pips. Wait until price makes a significant move, and then place a trade. So for example, this is my area of interest. I'm not going to place a trade exactly at the area of interest. I'm going to wait for a significant move. Once I've seen a significant move, that's where I'll place my trade, because that's where I'm confident that, okay, that's where I'm going to place my trade, and then I'm confident with my stop loss as well. At the end of the day, your stop loss is what's more important, not your take profit. Your stop loss is more important because that's what determines whether you're going to be in the trade for wherever long. So just keeping that in mind. Literally just keeping that in mind, guys. But we're just touching 1 hour of the live stream. If you guys have been watching for the full 1 hour, well done. Make sure you subscribe. It is the first live stream, so I do expect it to be very quiet. And it's a Monday, so I do expect it to be very quiet. But by like next week, I need you guys to be talking more on the chat, guys. I'm gonna be honest. You guys are watching, you're not talking, don't be shy. Give us your knowledge, give us your gems, whatever you know, and ask questions, because, you know, I'm here to help you guys out. I'm here to change the game when it comes to forex and the market, and I want to change the game, you know, and the only way to do that is if you guys just ask me some questions, so I can just throw out some game to you guys. So I don't know what you guys want if you don't ask, right? So make sure you guys make sure you all, you know, by next week, don't be shy. I know it's the first live stream, I know, but get familiar with this. And I might change my thumbnail as well. I like the whole road to 1 million. I like that, but I think I want to make it more like trading and chill. I think that's more, you know how we got Netflix and chill? I want it trading and chill, because I also want to do reactions as well. I want to be like, so the reason why I'm doing streams is because you see how I've seen a lot of streamers like you know, Aiden Ross and you know, the AMP group and you know, those kind of streamers, and I like the way they are when it comes to the stream. They just, you know, chat. That's what I want. I want that kind of, but it's not like that though. It'll be like trading and like chilling with the whole market. But let's have a look if this hits the target. So just to clarify with the reactions, it's going to be trading related, by the way. It won't just be anything. It won't be like I need to look. Let me just see. Sorry guys, it's just so close to the, so that's a really strong rejection. So if you haven't taken partials, because that's right near our trend line, I would take partials right here as well. So if you're in this area, I would take partials right now, probably even close to trade. Still giving you a nice 1-to-2 ratio. So look, yeah, still giving us a nice 1-to-2 ratio. I still want to see what price does in that area, but yeah. But yeah, most of the videos that we'll be reacting to is trading related, because I know there's a lot of scamming traders. We can definitely, no worries, bro. You join late, it's fine. Once the live's over, you can rewind it and check the whole video again. But don't worry, it doesn't matter if you're joining late, as long as you're here. Better late than never. So yeah, most of the videos that I do want to start reacting to a lot of YouTubers and see how they trade, because I feel like that's something that we can have a look, see how they trade, and not judge them, but see how they trade, and maybe even take notes, and maybe even inspire other traders to trade like that. So I'm not specifically going for like ICT and SMC. It's more of you know, different actual traders on YouTube. So drop down a comment of other traders you know on YouTube, and I'll try and react to them as well in these live streams, because it will get boring just only looking at the market, because that's not what I do. I don't just look at the market. I'll place a trade, and I'll just be doing other things like eating or going out or something. So I wouldn't be sitting here. So if I'm going to be here, I might as well react to a few things as well. But most likely, once this hits take profit, that I most likely will then just end the live, because we've hit 1 hour now. That's pretty good for the first live stream. Most likely will. I just want it to hit take profit, so at least you guys know that just so that you guys know that what's it called? Just so that you guys know that the market hit the take profit. If it doesn't hit take profit, then we'll still call it a day, but I do want to see what price does here. Before this stream ends, I want to see what price does at this area. So let's cross our fingers that the stream doesn't end tomorrow, because that's what gold likes to do. It will come so close to where we want it to go, and then smash all the way down, and then once it smashes all the way down, it will get to 2030, and then we're not going to see that for another hour. Well, we're creating new higher lows. Sorry, lower highs, I mean. We're creating new lower highs. So yeah, I think this trade is done. I think if you guys have taken out the trade, I think this trade is done. Yeah. I'm not manipulating, I'm not changing the trade. I still want to see price go there, but I think this trade is done. I think now we're gonna see price go down, because we had a strong bearish candlestick as well over here. Let me have a look at the 5 minutes quickly. Yeah, I think the trade's done, guys. It's at the trend line. I genuinely think the trade's done, and I feel like we have a new opportunity. I feel like the new opportunity would be a sell, right? But before I remove that, let me just. The new opportunity will be a sell, just above here, targeting all the way 2030. I know price will hit 2030 by the end of today. Quote me on that, guys. Quote me on that. By the end of today, price will hit 2030 or in this area zone. Quote me on that. Clip that and quote me on that, because I definitely want to see price do that. Just want to see price hit that take profit first. Once it hits that take profit, then we're good. But if it doesn't, then we already know what our next target is. So okay, yeah, we're hitting the profit first. We're hitting the TP. We know we're hitting the TP. That's good. That's what we like to see, though. We like to see TPs hit on the live stream. That's what we like to see. Even though I wasn't on this trade, I know you guys were on this trade, so that's brilliant. I know you guys I know you guys are happy with this TP as well. So as long as that's all I want to see from the trades. Every day I just want to see TPs hit. That's all I want to see. Are we gonna hit it? Are we gonna see one more push? I think we've got 2-3 more minutes. What's the time? So 12:44. So before 1 p.m. Or is it just gonna bounce off that trend line again? What are we gonna see? $12:45. The 50-minute candlestick has closed. I don't know. I think we're definitely going to see take profit. I don't even know if we're going to see. I don't know if we're going to see 2030 just yet. Now that I'm looking at the 50-minute candlestick, I'm not too sure. But we can see that if this candlestick closes as a bearish, we could see that triple top. But yeah, that 15-minute. Let me show you guys that 15-minute candlestick is looking a bit. It's not looking as. Don't even know if you guys can see that. It's not looking promising. There we go. TP hit, guys. There we go. Boom. Yeah, TP hit. I want to see what price does at this selling point over here. But yeah, TP hit, guys. Well done. Good shift for today. That was a nice 2 reward, 2R. So if you were on this trade, you are 2R up on your account, which is really, really good. You're not going to see, if you're scalping, you're not going to see 20R, 30R. You're not going to see that. But this is a reasonable trade. 15 pips, so it's not crazy amount. But we are risking 7 pips. So it's a 2R. So if you're risking a good amount, you probably saw nice money here. But yeah, it's smashed. It is smashed. I regret not being in this trade, but we come back. We were waiting for this opportunity for an hour, so we saw it, we got it. That's it now. We're done for the day. So guys, I hope you lot enjoyed this live stream. Let's just put it back on me. Definitely put in some ideas of what you would like in the live stream, because I know the live stream was very, very very quiet, but that's how it is when we trade. Sometimes I do play music. We'll see if YouTube allows music. I'll see that, but definitely we seen the market hit the take profit. We saw consolidation boxes, we saw trend lines, we saw the strategy. So if you don't know how I saw this trade, you don't know how I saw this opportunity, definitely rewind back, scale back out, go back to the start of the stream and have a look. I'm trying to make the live stream less lengthy, but also have some content for you guys, because I know that this raw footage is good. So as long as you obviously give me some more ideas, and let me know down in the comments below what currency pairs you would like to see. Also, I am hosting a VIP Telegram chat. I'm trying to change. I'm trying to get people to their goals. I'm trying to help people to their forex journey. I want to help them with their forex journey. So definitely DM me if you're interested. Everything socials are all down in the link below, so in the description below. So definitely go check that out. I'm just trying to help out the community, show them that forex is not fake, and that, you know, we are a good community. There is a lot of fake gurus out there, and a lot of scams going out there, and a lot of YouTubers that are exposing other YouTubers, which I want to react to that, guys. So we'll probably do it in the live stream. And yeah, so my aim is to just keep getting profits after profits, and see with regards to trade. Now, with regards to the live streams, I definitely do want to, I like the name, I do like the journey that we're going through with the live streams. I don't know if I'm going to keep it like this, but we'll see how we'll see how it goes. Road to a milli is nice, but I don't want it to just be focused on forex, like looking at the markets. I definitely want to add some reacts to it as well, and also looking at other YouTubers, and just, you know, reacting to certain YouTubers and stuff like that when it comes to the financial industry. So definitely want to do that as well. So if you guys have any recommendations, or just literally comment it down below, let me know which what you want me to see. If there's any YouTube videos that you would like me to see, to react to, you want to see my reaction to it, definitely go and put it in the comments down below. Also, if you have a trade in mind, definitely comment it as well. In the next stream we'll have a look at it, and yeah, we'll try and have a look at some trades as well. But that's it for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this live stream. Hope you guys learned something new. It is very, very important to always learn, even if it's just 1%. 1% increase into your knowledge. It's always good to just know what is, know something better, know something new, right? It's always good to do that. So definitely, with regards to these live streams, I want you guys to just become 1% better each time. So my goal is this is the first live stream, so my goal is I want to aim for around 50 live streams, maybe 100, but my aim is first 50. So we're going to do Monday to Friday. We're going to be doing live streams from 11:30 to around 1 o'clock-ish. So right now we're around 1 o'clock. Sometimes the live stream might close early, sometimes it might close late, but depending on the market. But yeah, if you're interested in forex, you're interested in just enjoying